Good morning student. Welcome to Sheba Group of School online class. Now we are going to lesson number 2, part 2, motion. Last previous class we are studying the speed and then distance, velocity, displacement, the type of motion, rest and motion. This topic are last previous class we are studying. Now this class we are discuss about the type of the distance time graph. The distance time graph for the uniform motion, non-uniform motion. Okay, uniform motion and non-uniform. The distance time graph for the uniform motion. It's clear. So first the distance walked by a person. The distance walked by a person of the different times. It's clear. One person walked on the distance, but what is the variation? That is called a different times of the variate. Okay. So for example, first of all uniform motion. First one is a uniform motion. The time by the minutes. Time, distance, meter. How is the travel? How is the crossing the meter of the distance? Okay. First 0 minutes. 0 minutes. Distance 0. Next one is here 5 minutes. The time will be 5 minutes. Then crossing the distance 500 meter. 500 meter. Then 10 minutes. That the person is a distance traveled by the 1000 meter. It's clear. Next 15 minutes. 1500 meters distance traveled. So 20 minutes 2000 meters, 25 minutes 2500 distance. So the graph is here drawn by the taking by the time along with this here x-axis and y-axis. It's clear. So the graph is here drawn by is here taking the time. How is the speed is here distance traveled by taken the time. So that is here taking the time along with the is here pointed the x-axis and distance along the y-axis. Next the graph is known as the distance. So for example x and mark it the x and y. So the time graph is here x and is a long straight line one is a point the 0 x y axis and x axis. Then this is here time will be noted the below the side x side 5 minutes 10 15 20 30 35 40 minutes. Okay. Then distance of the meter 500 1000 1500 2000 2.5 3000. Okay. So first one is here marking 5 0 0. Okay. Then point 5 listen carefully 5 minutes and distance traveled 500 5 and 5 is the meeting point is here 5 to 500. It's clear. Next 10,000 where 10,000 this point is here 10 and 1000 10,000. It's clear. Next one is here next one the graph is known as the distance 15,500 you using the draw the scale and using the line. Okay. Next 20 minutes the distance meter by the 20 minutes. Okay. Next 25 the minutes of the 25 the person walked the distance will be crossing the time the meter 2.5 2005. Next 25 25. Okay. 25. Okay wow. Okay, it's clear. Next these are all the straight line for the is only for the BC and the AC for the form of the graph. Which one is here forming the graph? It is called here is a joint at the point all is here this one. Okay, it's clear. Next one is here this point is here A B and C. That is called here A and B C. So when you look at the distance when the look at the distance will be followed the straight line for the only for the graph, straight line for the graph. Next one, we also noticed that the person covers the equal distance in equal interval time. It's clear? So once again, we also noticed, what will you notice? The person cover equal distance and needed to the equal internal of this here time. So that is here is a correct time will be distance, and all are equal to the distance of the time is persons walk the distance, time and distance minutes. Next, for example, listen. Speed equal to distance covered. Speed equal to distance covered by time taken. Time will be taken slope of the straight line. So the person slope of the straight line walk to the distance. So BC by AC from the graph of the graph BC by the AC of the graph will be finished. Okay, it's clear? Next, listen once again. What is the distance time graph? The uniform motion. First one is a uniform motion. The distance walked by a person. So different of the times, different minutes and different of the times, distance and the times. It's clear? This is here. Mark the graph. So listen. Next, the distance time graph for the non-uniform motion. The distance time graph for the non-uniform motion. First one is a uniform motion. Second one is a non-uniform motion. So first we can also plot the distance. First of all, we can also plot the distance will be time for the graph of the accelerated of the motion. Already you know the accelerated of the motion. Okay, last previous class. Non-uniform, so that is called a non-uniform motion. So show the distance that travelled by a car. The distance travelled by, first on the uniform motion, the distance travelled by the person. Listen carefully. Uniform motion, the distance travelled by the distance the person only. Next, they show the distance travelled by a car in a time. Then interval of the 2 seconds. Non-uniform motion, the time, seconds and the distance of the meter. Okay, 2 seconds, then the distance will be passing the travel, the distance 1 meter. 1 meter. Then 4 second, 4 meter. 6, 9 meters of the distance crossed. 8, 25 meter distance crossed the seconds. 12, 36. It's clear? So if you plot a graph between the distance, how will you travel the time? Is a correct time taken. How will you correct time taken the travel the car? So listen the graph. Next time grapher using the time, the same method using the time grapher. So 0 to 1. 1 is a 5 point of the listen. Okay, listen. 2, 1. So that is called here. The distance will be measured there. 2, 20, 10, 5, 10, 35, 15. Then seconds will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 9, 10. Okay. 2 and 1. So this point is here. 2 and 1. Okay. Next 4 and 4. 4 second and 4 meter. 4 seconds and 4 meter. Okay. Next 6 second and 9 meters. 9 meters travelled 6 second, 9 meters travelled by the car. For 6 and 9. So that is called 9. Okay. You are marking the graph sheet only. Okay. Next 8 and 16. 8 and 16. 16 meters and then 8 seconds. Okay. Next 10, 25. 10 and 25. It's clear? Next, the second will be time 12 second. Then distance past the meter 36 meters. 12 and 36. Okay. So join the line. join the line. So the graph is not straight line. Look here, the graph is not a straight line, it's a slanting for the line. Okay, it's clear. Next, this is a non-uniform motion. It's clear. So first, uniform motion, the line is a straight line for the distance. Second one is here, the graph is not straight line, so that is called the uniform motion. Listen, I do the one sum. A 900 kg car, listen carefully, a 900 kg car moving at 10 meter seconds, 10 meter seconds, and then takes a turn around a circle with the unit of the radius. Listen, a turn around a circle with a radius of 25 meters. Determine the accelerations and the net force of the acting. So, upon the car, when we are, there is a, what is the solution of the moving the car in the for seconds, the nanometer? Listen, first one is here, when the car turns around the circle, the car turns around the circle is experienced for the centripetal of the acceleration. Centripetal of the acceleration. That is a form of the centripetal acceleration. A equal to V2 by V. V2 by R. Okay, A equal to V2 by R. So, for example, A acceleration equal to the how many seconds? 10 meter seconds moving the car. So, 10 power of 2 by which meters they determine? 25 meters. 25 meters determine the acceleration. So, 10 power of 2 by 25 equal to next 10 into 10 100. 100 by 25. So, equal to 4. So, 4 meters second square. So, that is a 900 kg car moving at the determine the acceleration form of the 4 meter second square of the timing crossing the acceleration. So, next net force acting upon the car. What? This is a 900 kg. Net force acting equal to 900 kg. So, F equal to MA. Up 900 into 4. What is the 4 seconds? So, that is the acceleration of the speed 10 by 25 is divided by the 4 meters squared. So, the F equal to MA equal to 900 into 4. 900 equal to 4, 36, 3600 equal to a, for the experience of the turns will be called the turn around the nanometers. Okay, it's clear. So, this sum is your only important sum. The moving non-uniform motions when the accelerations is determine the car how will crossing the time and then circle for the around it determining the seconds, how many seconds will be cross the circle. So, that only is here, do the sums only, on sums. Next, centripetal force, last one is here, centripetal force. What is the centripetal force? That is an act of the body moving in a circular path. So, that is called a centripetal force. Is directed towards the circle only for the path crossing the body moving. So, that is called a centripetal force. Next one is centrifugal force. Listen carefully. Centripetal and centrifugal force arising from the body inertia. So, that is called the body moving circular path. Centripetal is a circular moving the path. This one is here. Centrifugal is a body moving the path. Is a difference not clear? So, next one is here. Center of the force. Listen children. This lesson, motion, lesson physics, lesson number 2, motion physics. Second part is finished. Listen carefully. Quarterly exam coming soon. All are prepare well and sit at home. Is write the exam. Okay, thank you all.